Oh man, this is hard. Nathan, can you get the other balls by the pillow pet? That means you have to go dive onto the pillow pet. Do you love pillow pet? Can you bring me the balls? The other one's on the other side of the pillow pet, Nathan. Nope, he's not going to bring it over. Oh, man. Nathan, can you get the balls, please? Nathan. Nathan, can you get the balls, please?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, no. Turning into a drone. Nathan, get the other... Oh, you want to play the basketball? Can you get it in the hoop? Can I try again? Can I have the ball? Please? Cool. Okay, come over here. I want to try again. Let me try again. Thanks. Okay, ready? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. This is so hard. Oh, that was really off. Oh, man. Oh. Okay. Do you want me to throw or you want Daddy to throw? You want Daddy to try? Want Mommy to try?